coming with selected fragrances of the lyrical nature. For the nocturnal fiends, the indomitable, the infamous bad boy. Check it. Straight from the land of Eng, I come to slang the hardest. Hunt, kill, and bury anyone I could regardless of stress. I bless for all the ears that thirst. My vocal sound with its title and primal as the universe. I burst first and in verse with conversational skills. Time travel on and rival while my voiceover spills. Build bridges to the path of your righteous half. Sometimes life can get wicked and you have to laugh at the rest of them when lesser men couldn't take the pressure when the hourglass is on the last green. But who's to blame in the game? A fool would choose slumber, but the wise choose work, and it's more than a number, adding up to the point that life is competition and there's more to a joint than spiritual submission. If you're twisting and turning and yearning for real emotion, I'll be bringing what's missing from this musical ocean.
Ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion. Don't really want none of your devotion. Give me audio lotion, give me audio lotion. Ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion. Don't really want none of your devotion. Give me audio lotion, give me audio lotion.
Overdose on information, knowledge leads to insanity. Vanity can bring calamity to your humanity, and charity is a moral get-out clause. Overcrowded, overindulged. Baby, what's the cause of obesity? Is it just a feminist issue? Body politics, influenced by collagen tissue. What if I miss you? Would you like my feminine side? How many sugars in your matricide? People hide cause they're petrified of commitment. When we talk, nobody listens.
Drug shipment
on the streets and youths are going missing. On the wrong listing, got you wishing life would stay the same. Pride was a sin, but nowadays it's just a game. 5 minutes of fame, every sucker's try to claim. Know your aim, I know your lane, I know the truth is not debated. The scene is complicated, still we're oversaturated with the lies that syndicated. Free your mind, you know they hate it.
Come on, ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion. Don't really want none of your devotion. Give me audio lotion, give me audio lotion. Ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion. Don't really want none of your devotion. Give me audio lotion, give me audio lotion. I come naked on this track like as if I'm birthday suited. Hunt, kill, recruited me to shoot rhymes like Cupid. But straight to your mind and get you laid out like coke lines. Digging deep in raw minds to elevate and get mine to shine. Like the sun backyard, but things are getting hard. You can't maintain, you're getting barred from the building. Man, woman, and children, I'm shielding when I'm dealing out the feeling, giving audio healing. Ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion. Don't really want none of your devotion. Audio lotion, audio lotion. Ain't got no time for the mad promotion. Ain't got no time for the big commotion.